Welcome to a virtual tour of the Wayne Barton Study Center. In this tour, we will provide you with important information on the center and the various programs it offers. We will get started with its physical location and information. As you can see on the left side of your screen, the center is located at 269 Northeast 14th Street in Boca Raton, Florida. You will also find the center's phone number and fax number in this area. The founder of the center, Officer Wayne Barton, wanted a place where disadvantaged and at-risk youth could go and get help with schoolwork, tutoring, and exposure to culture and arts that they might not otherwise get to experience. We have posted the center's vision and mission statements here to show how the center fulfills these goals, and we also have a section on Officer Barton himself. It is important to know the backstory of the area in order to understand how the center came to be and its significance to the area residents. The center is physically located in a neighborhood called Pearl City. Under the heading of Area History, you can read up on the historical importance of this area and see a map of its exact location. Anyone interested in more in-depth information on the center itself or Wayne Barton can click on any of the social media links we have listed, which include the center's website and Facebook page, as well as many interviews with and videos about the work Wayne Barton has done for the center and the kids in this area. Moving on, we have a section dedicated to the various programs that are available at and through the center, including after-school programs and college scholarship information. The next section talks about how the public can help the center through donations, sponsorships, volunteering, etc. We've posted flyers for some of our recent events so the public can see what types of activities we participate in, provide, or sponsor. Directly next to the flyers is a section dedicated to the media coverage of the center, including community events we have participated in, which include things such as grocery giveaways, multicultural Easter dinners, back-to-school provisions, etc. We have 5 sections dedicated to research on importance of programs such as the Wayne Barton Study Center in making a difference in the lives of the children they service and the long-term outcomes of such programs. None of what you see in this tour would be possible without funding and donations. The next section shows examples of all the different ways the Barton Center has benefited from the generosity of others. Finally, we usually get asked about some negative press. In the interest of transparency, you will see that we have listed news stories here for you to see that both situations were handled by appropriate law enforcement agencies, and we can assure you that the center has taken steps to make sure that these types of situations do not ever occur again.